Getting a handle on your finances is an important aspect of living a financially free life. Most often, the emphasis is usually on cutting back expenses in order to make ends meet. But what if I told you there was another way? Yes, cutting back on expenses is a great place to start. But adding more money to your bottom line will not only give you the financial freedom you seek, it will also allow you the freedom to maintain your current lifestyle. You don't need a full-blown side hustle to bring in extra cash each month. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 things you can do to make more money. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe. Let's get started. 1. Sell things on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Craigslist is a great place to exchange goods and services, and for the most part, it is usually done for money. However, a little-known factor is that Craigslist is also a great place to get freebies. Whether someone is getting rid of something because they no longer have room for it, or they have to abruptly leave their home, city, or state, there are some rare gems that you can resell for a decent return. The key is to look for free stuff on Craigslist that is currently selling on Craigslist or elsewhere. Some items will be in great shape, but if not, spruce it up and resell either on Craigslist, a flea market, or a garage sale. If you have items in your home that you simply don't use, it's also a great way to declutter and make extra money and list them and try to sell them to other locals who will use them. Do you have a keen eye? Are your photos museum-worthy? Well, if you answered yes or no to any of those questions, then you can sell your photos to stock photo agencies like Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe, and other similar companies. It really doesn't matter if you're a professional or novice, you still have the opportunity to make money. Most work on a per-download basis where you get paid a percentage every time someone downloads your picture. If you are enjoying this video, leave us a comment below. 2. Rent out a room. This straightforward strategy takes advantage of space that you're not using anyway and turns it into a money-making opportunity. If you're going away for the summer, or have to be out of town for a while, or maybe even just want to travel, consider renting out your current space while you're gone. You can list your space on any number of websites, such as Airbnb, and set the rental terms yourself. You'll collect a check for your efforts with minimal extra work, especially if you're renting to a tenant who may be in place for a few months. If you have a spare room in your living space and want to generate some side income, consider renting it out. Use Airbnb to put your home to work for you, whether you wish to rent out your entire home or a single room. If you'll be traveling a lot this year, rent out your home to make some money while you're away that can help pay for all of those adventures. And don't worry, there are security protections in place that help make this option less terrifying than most would think. 3. Sell your skills. Do you have skills that others would pay money for, like graphic design or editing? If so, sites like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack are great platforms to sell them. These aren't only limited to those with creative skills. You can sell editing services, research services, typesetting, and the list goes on. Starting a side hustle takes both time and money, but starting with small, one-off projects is a great way to make money whenever you have some extra time. If you love music, you'll love this gig. Simply head over to Slice the Pie and start reviewing unsigned artists and bands to earn some extra cash. Your payment per review is based on the quality of the reviews you turn out on the site, so it may take a little time to build up your reputation. But according to Slice the Pie, the better your review, the bigger the bonus payment. The site also offers a referral program where if any of your friends sign up using your referral code and write reviews, then you'll receive bonus payments for every review they submit. If you are enjoying this video, leave us a comment below. 4. Offer to babysit for busy professionals. If you're already in a professional childcare role or have worked with children in the past, babysitting can be a fantastic way to top up your earnings. It offers flexible work that fits around other commitments, and there's plenty of demand for good sitters. Yes, many parents turn to friends and family in the first instance for children, but reliable local babysitters are still a godsend for busy families. Whether you're looking for occasional weekend babysitting jobs or planning to go pro and become a super sitter, the advice below will help you prepare. If you're looking after someone else's child, it's essential you have the knowledge, skills, and confidence to know what to do in an emergency. Of course, it's highly unlikely catastrophe will strike, but minor mishaps and sudden ailments are altogether more likely. Parents need the reassurance that you'll know how to react if Tommy hurtles into a table mid-game, or baby Freya wakes up with a funny cough. Babysitting may seem like an obvious place to start when wanting to make some extra money, and you may be thinking that you are not cut out to babysit. But here's the twist. Look for moms and dads who are busy professionals who have small children under 5. They will most likely tell you that they don't remember the last time they were able to enjoy a quiet night out. Offering your service to this niche population will not only be a lucrative undertaking, but an easy job to do as well, because chances are you will simply be house-sitting as the children sleep. If you have extensive experience in childcare, consider signing up for sites like Care.com, where you can set your schedule of availability. 5. Become a secret shopper. The key to success as a secret shopper are keen observation, objectivity, and good writing skills. You'll often be required to notice details you've never before observed to answer report questions. When analyzing employee performance, your comments have to be objective and free of personal opinions. Many times, you'll need to discreetly take notes on your smartphone or a small tablet or use a stopwatch to time speed of service. So a bit of sleuthing and covert activity is required. When shops are complete, detailed reports are composed and submitted online within 24 hours. These reports need to be concise and written using proper grammar, syntax, spelling, and punctuation to be accepted by RBG and maintain your status as an active shop. If you have a great memory, can pay attention to details, and report on what you see and experience, then making money as a secret shopper will be a cinch for you. Becoming a secret shopper is as simple as you registering with a company that provides that service, then going undercover to different stores and reporting your experience as a customer. You are paid for your insight, and while you are at it, you can enjoy some free meals, traveling, and shopping. Not only are you earning money and perks, but you are also helping to set the tone for how real clients should be treated. Because mystery shopping is a voluntary job, you are not required to work a minimum number of hours a week. However, we send out lots of shopping assignments each week, so the overachievers are more than welcome to pick up more gigs. If you find yourself swamped one month, you can simply choose not to sign up for shops. It's really as easy as that. However, it is a great way to make some extra cash in your free time. Accurate and complete reports signal to companies to approve you for more assignments, so take care when completing shops and reports. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoy this valuable content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.